Morning everyone, it's Ed from RU Cars. Today we've got this 2011 Audi S3. It's a Sportback, as you can see, and it's a black edition, 6-speed manual, finished in phantom black, 11 services, totally standard. And if you are looking for a nice example that has been unmolested, you will be hard pushed to find better than this. As I mentioned, 11 services. It's had 2 cam belt changes within that. This thing has been maintained to within an inch of its life. It's just had brand new discs and pads all round, along with 4 Toyo Proxy tyres. It's got the black roof rails, privacy glass. Just show you those tyres, look, they are brand fire new. There's no dings. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got the rear park assist. That's just a bit of condensation from where I've had it running this morning, bringing it in. While we're there, actually, there are 1 or 2 very light scratches across the top of the boot from loading things in. But that's really it. The wheels are all unmarked. As I say, tyres are brand new. Discs and pads, brand new. A really nice car. MOT, comes service, 3-month warranty. You know the score. Inside, it's all very clean. We have got the parcel shelf, that's just drying. Got a spare wheel in this one, which is very unusual for a Quattro. And all your toolkit, including your locking wheel key and your warning triangle, is there. Black S3 leather, totally unmarked in the back, with the Isofix and the rear electric windows. And the same again in the front. Very, very, very good condition seats. With the flat bottom steering wheel. Bose sound system. Cruise control as well. I think actually cruise control and parking sensors mean it's got comfort pack, but I could be wrong. You'll have to check that if it interests you. Mileage was 60,140, I think I just saw as I got in. There we go, 60,140. There we go. I've only just pulled it in to the photo booth, so it is a little bit warm. But as you can see, there are no warnings and it all does start perfectly well. We've got Navigation Plus in the centre with your radio and your media. It's also got AMI at the bottom there, look. You can get Bluetooth connected to stream your music if you wish. Has got Bluetooth telephone as well. And of course, your navigation. Just there, look. That's us just off Meadow Lane in Loughborough. We've got dual climate control and heated front seats, 6-speed manual box. Cigarette lighters never been used. We've got the armrest in the centre, cup holder down there. Very, very, very nice condition. Auto dipping mirrors, that's me. AMI in the glove box. And yeah, that's it. Overall, a lovely example. As I say, if you are looking for just a nice standard S3, this could be the one for you. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. And if you are considering financing the vehicle, we can help with that. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.